everyone, welcome to the Smart Associate. My name is Sivam Kumar and you are welcome in this SQL tutorial channel. Oh sorry, SQL tutorial playlist. So till now we have covered till module 5. Okay. No, module 4. And in this module 5, I'll tell you about how you will tackle the null values. Okay. I have written over null values. Let's suppose, what does it mean? Yeah. So if any of the cell doesn't have any data, so it tells you about that in that cell we have null value. It doesn't, it means we don't have any data in that cell. So if any of the cell does not have any data, then it means it have null value. So how it looks like, let me create. I have here one table. So let me create one thing for you so that you can understand. Let me create one thing. You can see, let me create one ID over here. Okay. Now you can see in table 2, I have complete data in ID column, but in pin code column against 8 number ID at cell G10, I don't have any data. It means it is null value. So practically there is no data in your table or in any row, any specific, then it means it have null value. So when you calculate, when you do the like any when you write any query over null value now, without asking, without just calling the null values now, then it will throw you some error, or just it will throw you uh, some discrepancy in your final result. Okay, so let me check if we have null values or not. So uh, where we have expected, yeah, you can see allergies we have null. So where allergies is null. Now you can see allergy is coming null. Now if I'll remove this one and rerun, so how can I remove this allergy? Sorry, how can I remove this null value? Let's suppose I am writing any code, or I am making any dashboard, and then I am writing a SQL code. Then in final result, this null value will throw an error, and my ultimate the ultimate query which I am writing, it will not give me the correct output. So I want some word here like not available, NA or something. So how I can do? There are two things. Select all from a patient. So no, not like this. Select all from patient. There are two things. If null. Wait. You need to write like this. If null, and then column allergies. So I want NA, right? This is how we can tackle. So if I'll write, you can see where the null is coming earlier, now NA is coming, and you can use the alias like new allergies and then run it. So my new column is new allergies, and this is, you can see instead of null I am getting the NA. So I have one column which is allergy, which is already available. Now I have one more column which is new allergy. Now if I'll write key, I'll make a dashboard. If I'll write a query, it will give me the correct output, right? So this is how you can tackle with null values. There is one more data type which is Coalesce. Coalesce, and this will give you the same thing, like instead of NA, let me write something else. Not present. See here. See. not present, not present. So some database supposed to use Coalesce, some database supposed to use IFNULL. So it depends on you which database or which type of SQL database you are utilizing. But the purpose of both the data type, which is Coalesce, yeah, data type, which is Coalesce or IFNULL, is same. Okay. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you once again. Bye bye.